Thanks for tuning into the Finance News Network. I'm Jessica Amir, and with me today from Lithium Power International is CEO Cristobal Garcia-Huidobro, who's just flown in from Chile. Great to see you again, and welcome back to the network.
Thank you, Jessica. Nice to see you again.
So first up, well done. Your share price is boding extremely well. As at today, the 20th of August, your share price is up over 40%. So I'd just like to pause a little bit of an introduction to the business and what's fueled this healthy rally.
On the side of Chile, we just signed this MOU after almost a year of negotiations with Codelco. And this will be basically the sole vehicle of the Chilean government to participate on this lithium industry in Chile. The Maricunga project is by far today the richest grade project in Chile, and also the most advanced one, probably almost in South America. This will, for the government, is very important. This is a project that will be able to be built within the next couple of years. It's for sure it's going to be the next lithium project built in Chile. And for the government, it's very important to be able to show that investment is moving forward again in the country, and especially that foreign investment is coming back. Companies that are basically partners of Codelco and other more traditional mining projects have been approaching us, and we are definitely generating a lot of attraction here. In fact, I was in New York and Toronto last week with basically a lot of meetings during the whole week. We presented at the Jefferies conference also in the middle of the week.
So for LPI, why is it so significant, and also what does it mean that you've now entered this MOU with the government? Basically,
there are two important things here. The first one is because Codelco is also contributing with all their mining concessions in Maricunga, we'll be able to increase the size of the project in terms of its annual production, or just to extend the life of the project, as we will probably be increasing significantly the resources of the project with these contributions. We will be concentrating all the permits necessary for the development of this project, especially the KCO contract, which is a special operation lithium contract that is the first time in the history of Chile that it has been awarded. And the government did this especially for Codelco to be able to move forward with this agreement with LPI and MSB in Chile.
So Cristobal, can you explain why it's so significant to the government?
Basically, Maricunga is located at the third region in Chile, which is one of the regions in the country that is showing the highest unemployment rates, and it has been hit by a couple of natural disasters within the last years. And also it suffers the most with this slowdown on the copper industry within the last 5 years. So basically, this is a project that is very important for the local economy, and it's something that the government is looking for.
So what's next for LPI and the government and Codelco?
Okay, we're now in the middle of the due diligence process of both companies, and we're expecting that to be finalized before year end, and also to reach a definitive agreement by the beginning of next year. It's not only have an importance in terms of what it can mean at a valuation level for the company, but also what it means in terms of de-risking the project, the Maricunga project in Chile, because we will be consolidating more than 60% of the exploitable area of the salar, and also 100% of the permits necessary to be able to develop and build this project in the future.
You've hit the milestone. Cristobal, looking out on the horizon, what's next?
Of course, finalizing in Chile's side, finalizing the EIA process will be one of the major milestones. We're also in the middle of the bidding process for the EPC contract, so we are expecting to finalize that by the end of November, more or less. And but also is what's going on here in Australia. We announced by the beginning of the year we already started the development of our assets in WA. We have two groups of assets at north at the Pilbara area. We have Taba, Australia and Pilbara. And at the south we have the Greenbushes. On the northern side, we already started our drilling for the exploration there, and we're expecting to finalize that before year end to have some news for the market there. And on the Greenbushes area, we submitted our exploration plan to the forestry authorities, and we're expecting to have some authorization by the end of this quarter, so we can start all the works by the fourth quarter this year.
Well, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for stopping by on your whirlwind trip. I know you're extremely busy. Cristobal Garcia-Huidobro, thank you.
Thank you, Jessica, for having us here.